So yo guys, what is happening, and welcome back to Shifting Gears. And in today's video we're just going to give you guys a little update on the VXR, because the past few weeks we did say that we're going to sell the VXR, but in today's video it's just going to be a short little video just to give you guys a little update on the VXR. So yeah, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So yeah, a few weeks ago we did say that we were going to sell the VXR, but I was looking at a lot of other cars. I was looking at GTIs, M135Is, Golf Rs, and just insurance is just a bit too much, man. Like, I was getting quoted about 3-4 grand just to insure them, and for me personally, I don't think it's worth that. Just to insure a car like that, I'd rather wait a couple of years and let my insurance come down a bit more. So yeah, I don't think it's like worth it spending 3-4 grand a year just on insurance. So yeah, we have decided to actually keep the VXR now. We are keeping it now. We are getting it mapped. We're going to head down to Wayside Performance and get it mapped next week. The car's stage 2 ready. Obviously we did have a few issues with it. It made 148 on the dyno, but we've sorted all them issues out. We're going to go back to Wayside now in about a week's time, and we're going to get the car mapped. I just feel like the journey isn't over yet with the VXR. Obviously I've only had the car for about 2 years now, and the car's fully forged. It's stage 2 ready, and I feel like it'd be criminal if I just sold the car the way it is. Even if I did sell the car, the next owner, all he had to do was literally map the car stage 2. I can slap a bigger turbo on it. I was thinking KO3 or KO4 maybe next year. They are about £1,500, so yeah, we are getting it mapped, guys. Stage 2 VXR from Wayside Performance. We're going to go there, and the injectors that we're going to get in the car are 613cc Bosch injectors. So yeah guys, as you can see, it's fully forged by Rusty Autos. But yeah, the injectors we're getting are 613cc injectors. The car's all ready for stage 2 now. Obviously when I do go to get it mapped the day before, obviously I'm going to check my oil, coolant, water, everything, make sure everything's okay. So I will be filling up with Tesco Momentum, give it a full tank, and hopefully it does make some good power. So yeah, the reason why I've gone for the 613cc injectors, it's because, like, obviously in the future, if I want to get a bigger turbo, I want more power, I won't have to change the injectors later on. So they do supply and fit 395cc injectors as well, but I feel like if I do want to get a bigger turbo, I will need bigger injectors. So I've gone for the 613cc ones instead. They did cost a bit more, but they are supplied and fitted as well from Chris. So obviously injectors, they have to be mapped in as well. I was planning to fit them myself, but obviously we're going to get them mapped into the car, because obviously Chris has to map them in, do a baseline run, so that obviously the ECU knows what's going on. If you are looking to get your Corsa VXR mapped, I would highly recommend that you go down to Wayside Performance. They're very friendly, they know what they're doing, they know what they're talking about. And yeah, we are going down next week. I've booked the map and everything, so yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. Stage 2 VXR is coming. Another thing I wanted to ask you guys is, what do you guys think about pops, bangs, rev cut limiters, hard cut limiters? Because I was planning just to get a power map, to be honest, but let me know in the comments as well what you guys think, if I should get pops and bangs or anything like that, because obviously I don't want to put extra pressure on the engine as well. We should make about 230, 240 brake and about 240, 250 foot-pounds of torque at Wayside. The dyno is a bit harsh as well, so it's not obviously going to be 100% accurate. It'll probably be a bit more. But even now, guys, when I drive the car, it doesn't feel like 148 bhp. It feels a lot quicker. Even you guys in the comments, when you saw that POV, literally it pulls like a train, man. It doesn't feel like 148 at all. I just can't imagine how it's going to be mapped, man. Like, I can't wait. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Obviously just a quick little update on the VXR. So we are getting it mapped stage 2 next week. So just let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of pops and bangs, hard cut limiters, rev cut, all of that, because I'm not too sure if I should get them or not. I was thinking hard cut or rev cut, but I'm gonna speak to Chris, see what he says. I don't want to put extra pressure on the engine as well. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the map. It will be next week. That video will be coming out next week. We have a few more mods that we're doing on the ST as well. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.